guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's look I decided to create Valentine's Day look. And I know Valentine's Day is 1 week away or something like that, but I really wanted to create something to do with pink. So I thought this look is perfect for that day. And you guys can go ahead and pair with nude lip, but I feel like red lips works on me for that day. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. First, I'm going to spray this rose water all over my face to freshen up my skin. Taking this Nivea Yellow Body Refreshing Moisturizer all over my face and of course on my neck as well. And most important, sunscreen. I'm using this Lotus Herbal Sunset Sunscreen, which is my current favorite. To fill in my brows, using this Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade medium brown and taking this angular brush to do my brows. Taking this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and flat brush to define my brows. Then taking this beauty blender and blending only the line of the concealer. And using the same concealer on my eyes to preparing for eyeshadow. And of course, blending. Taking some powder with beauty blender to set this concealer on place. Picking this color as a transition color from Huda Beauty Desert Dubs palette. I'm going to blend this all over my crease, outer corner, including lid as well. Taking this not so pink color from Murphy 35B palette. I'm going to apply this on the same area. Again, picking this rosy color from the same palette and blending all over my crease, eyelid, including outer corner as well. Taking this Simply color with the help of my finger and applying and blending just like this. Then I'm going to define with brush. For the lashes, I'm going to use this Foxy lashes. Now taking this the professional primer from Benefit. It's a big day, so using this green color corrector on my redness of pimples. But guys, I love my skin just the way it looks. For the foundation, using Makeup Forever Ultra HD. I need more coverage, so I need one more layer of foundation and of course nail. Using same concealer under my eyes, forehead, bridge of nose, pubic bow and chin, and again blending. And taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Stick, I'm going to take on my hand just like this and applying with the help of brush on my cheekbones and jawline. Just do natural. Using this Studio Fix Compact from MAC. First taking with a sponge and bake all over my face and then using brush. To set that cream contour using this Hola bronzer from Benefit. And using this Milani blush. Taking this pink color on my half of my lower lash line and on my inner corner as well. Picking this same Simply color on my left part of lower lash line. Just like this. And just here. And then mascara. Spring this rose water again all over my face. Doing this process, my makeup gonna be last longer and on place. For the highlighter, using this from Fenty Beauty on my high cheekbones, brow bone, etc. Drawing lipstick with this Huda Beauty lip liner. For the lipstick, using MAC Cosmetics in the shade Rubio. Look at this shade, OMG. Last but not least, makeup setting spray from MAC. This is the final look, guys. What do you think about this look? Leave comment. I hope you guys like this look. If you do, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to join my small family. Stay beautiful, stay positive, and stay happy, guys. So bye bye. See you.